Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Chase Business Banking for payment reconciliation step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your Chase Business Banking credentials, including your username and password. Open your web browser and navigate to the Chase Bank website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your business banking username in the designated field. Input your password in the following field. Click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab in the main menu. Select the specific business account you wish to reconcile for payments. Locate the Transaction History option associated with that account. Review the transaction dates to identify the period you need to reconcile. Ensure you have the necessary transaction records from your payment processor for the same dates. Cross-reference the transactions in your Chase account against your payment processor records. Make note of any discrepancies between the two records. If you find any mismatches, investigate the reasons behind them. Confirm that all transactions from your payment processor are accounted for in your Chase account. Double-check the amounts for accuracy. Once discrepancies are resolved, document all findings and corrections. Consider exporting your transaction history to an Excel document for better analysis. Utilize the reconciliation feature, if available, to assist in matching transactions. After completing the reconciliation process, save any important reports or documents for your records. Log out of your Chase Business Banking account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.